These are the Green Busters, Abby Romine and Kristen Clemens, and they're taking the products you use every day and putting them to the carbon footprint test.
On this week's episode, we're taking a look at two popular clothing companies, Nike and North Face, to see just how big of a carbon footprint they're leaving. What is a carbon footprint? Carbon footprint is the total set of greenhouse gas emissions, or GHG emissions, caused by an organization, activity, or product. It can be directly and indirectly caused by human activities. Many companies are working hard to reduce their carbon footprint, though some seem to be trying harder than others.
When companies spend more time and money claiming to be green than actually changing or implementing business practices that minimize their carbon footprint, it's called greenwashing.
To analyze these companies, we used climatecounts.org, a website that scores companies on their climate impact to encourage corporate climate responsibility. A lot of people wear Nike and North Face, especially college students. So we decided to investigate which company is truly working to reduce their carbon footprint and which one is greenwashing.
First, we decided to hit the bricks to see what people think.
How environmentally friendly do you think Nike really is?
My guess would be that since they're such a large corporation, it'd be all about the money more than environmental aspects.
I feel like Nike is such a big corporation and they spend all this money on these huge advertisements with celebrities. I'm kind of curious as to where the products actually come from.
Nike received a climate score of 83 out of 100.
Really? No way. That's not true.
Whoa!
I think you're lying. I'm sorry. I really don't think that's possible.
In fact, Nike is currently supporting legislation to promote a clean energy economy and reuse global warming pollution. Nike also uses sustainable materials for their products and hopes to use organic cotton in 100% of their products by 2011. Nike also has a program called Reuse a Shoe, through which they've recycled the materials from more than 20 million pairs of shoes since 1993. Based on what you know, what do you think of North Face's environmental practices?
Well, North Face is like a really outdoor-oriented company. They probably sell mostly to people who care about the environment and like spending time outside. So I guess they probably have really like responsible environmental practices and they're pro-sustainability.
I know of various companies in the past that have portrayed that message but really are just greenwashing.
Well, I guess I would assume because they're like an outdoorsy company that they're probably doing things to be environmentally friendly, probably because the people that purchase their products are doing outdoor things like hiking and that kind of stuff, and they're probably more conscious about helping the environment.
VF Corporation, the parent company of North Face, received a much lower score, a 6 out of 100.
Really? Yeah.
Weird.
That's a shame. Because a large part of their field, I feel like, is reach out to the outdoorsy community, and if these people that enjoy the outdoors know about how it's being destroyed, that could be a big problem.
Because North Face is an outdoor company, one would assume they would be making strides to lessen their carbon footprint. However, although North Face has a portion of their website dedicated to sustainability, the information provided is very vague and doesn't address specific efforts the company is taking to limit their carbon footprint. While they provide resources to other green initiatives, they don't appear to be making a huge effort themselves.
So why does it matter to pay attention to a company's carbon footprint? Well, buying from any company demonstrates your support not only for their business or products, but also their environmental practices. So what can you do? Be informed. Be aware of what these companies are doing to reduce their carbon footprint. Know the products to use, buy, and wear. To learn more, visit website